First time I'd really seen a rough one like that.
Yeah, this will be on YouTube, so I'll have you sign a waiver.
All right, they'll be ahead of us now. So, not a great beach to go to though. It is known as Shell Beach because of how the rocks are shaped. Waves come through, break up all the mussels and shells, and get it back up onto the beach, but not enough water runs up and down to smooth it all out. So it's not very comfortable. A lot of broken up shells. Sea lions are a little more slim and agile, but because they don't have the same amount of blubber, they actually spend a lot of their time up on rocks, drying around. They nurse them up to health. When they're ready to go, they release a bunch together, all done on a beach called Aliso Beach. Another thing you can go and see and check out. Perfect.
Well, I think I got these.
They're hurting them, right?
Yep. They normally stay in a ball, and they sort of move together. And so yeah, they'll try to circle them and cut through the middle, and they force them towards the top. Like I said, they work with the birds, so the birds can come from the top, and they push them towards the top as well. And they sort of trap them, and they get the fish to freak out, and that's when they stress. And so they fire break. That's our fire prevention team. Yeah, exactly.
You've noticed too that the rain is running much more.
A lot of green, for sure. Especially earlier when we definitely got in. So you guys can follow us by about 20